It's Sam check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your day across South Africa. It's going to stay unsettled this Thursday across the bulk of the country, with thunderstorms starting early over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending into Gauteng and Limpopo and pushing down into KwaZulu-Natal and much of the Eastern Cape. We could see the thunder showers spilling into the northeastern areas of the Western Cape. Light rain and drizzle is possible for the south coast, maybe spilling into parts of the southwest coastline. It's going to be dry for the western parts of the Northern Cape. Then late tonight, a cold front is set to hit the southwestern parts of the country. Now we are expecting up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms this afternoon, extending from the northwest through the Free State down into much of the Eastern Cape, where you see the lighter shades of blue. Up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers is expected. The South African Weather Service has once again issued a watch for heavy rains, which could lead to localized flooding across much of the Eastern Cape. Afternoon temperatures are going to be rather cool over the southern parts of the country, with highs in the lower 20s forecast for Port Elizabeth and George, 24 for the highs in Cape Town and Sutherland. It's going to be much warmer across the central and northeastern parts of the country. A mild 21 is forecast, however, around Bethlehem. Johannesburg should peak at a warm 26, 29 in Pretoria. We're expecting highs in the lower 30s across much of KwaZulu-Natal. East London and Bishop should warm up to around 25 degrees. Great beach conditions return to the west coast this Thursday, with a moderate southwesterlies forecast in most areas. And for the boaters, we are expecting swell heights to average around 2.5 meters off the west coast. We are expecting bigger swell heights along the southwest coastline, averaging around 3 meters. Nice coastal conditions are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. However, light rain could keep you away from the beaches around Cape Agulhas. We are also expecting cloudy and wet weather to keep beach conditions uninviting along the south coast. And here we are expecting mostly moderate southwesterlies for much of your Thursday. Lastly, along the east coast, poor beach conditions are also forecast along these coastal areas, thanks to the thunder showers forecast for much of your day. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday.